kill, I will. I'm getting her back.
You're right, Jeff. We'll get her back. Big day tomorrow. You should get some sleep.
Say the word, and I will give you my best ASA commandos. They'll get you to the target. You can do the rest.
My mission. My team.
Make the kill as fast as you can.
Jay, I want you to get your mother back. Really, I do. But I am more of a liability than I am an asset.
What are you talking about?
He's still in my head, Jen. I can't be trusted. Oh, man! Do something! I dare you!
Really? You will find yourself this way again. You will find our door open.
Hey! What the hell? Get out!
I wasn't trying to be romantic. I mean, she's not really my type. I love a woman who can, like...
Get on with it, son.
Well, I seen the chip. I figured it was bad, so I deactivated it.
Oh, did you just poison him?
I can't poison, only painkiller can. That was Kushojutsu.
Then don't. Handle that door.
Bro, stop lying. You don't want your cover blown. Don't keep coming out the woodwork to save the Pierce girls. And now you come all this way to save that fine-ass ex-wife of yours. I get it. I've had a lot of quality time with her myself.
Nobody knows.
Who the hell is that?
Keep on it.
I'm not a murderer. If you come with me, everybody gets to go back where they came from. You don't, everybody dies.
Nobody touches my wife!